SlyMedia TV, building bridges.
Your Excellency, Comrade President Dr. Mnangagwa, Comrade Vice Presidents, the Chief Secretary, the President and Cabinet, senior government officials, media colleagues, a good late afternoon. His Excellency the President has some announcement to make to the nation. Without further ado, Comrade President, I cede the floor to you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, media. There you go. The Honorable Vice President, retired General Dr. Chiwenga, Honorable Vice President, retired General Mohadi, the Secretary, Chief Secretary to the President's Cabinet, Mr. Expander. I would like to make announcements for some few appointments I have made. Continue making further appointments tomorrow. But for today, I will begin to announce the provincial ministers. Bulawayo, the provincial minister is Judith Mure, she's female. Harare province, it is Charles Tarebwa, I'm sure he's male. Masingo, Ezra Chadzamira, male. Midlands, Owen Mure, male. Manikaland province, Nukutula Matskenyere, female. Mashonaland East, A. Munzerembi, female. Mashonaland West, Miriam Chombo, female. Mashonaland Central, Christopher Magomo, male. Matebele North Province, Richard Moyo, and Matebele South Province, Evelyn Ndofu, female. Those are the appointed provincial ministers. I move on to the next level. Ministers, have finance, Minister of Finance, Finance and Investment Promotion. Professor Mtuli Mure, Bulawayo, Deputy David Mnangagwa, male. Veterans of the Liberation Struggle Affairs, Christopher Mtsangwa, Deputy Monica Mavunga. Mtsangwa is Mashonaland West, Mavunga is Mashonaland Central. Then youth empowerment, development, and vocational training. Minister Tino Machakaire, Mashonaland East. Mpamanga Junior, Mashonaland Central Deputy. Sports, recreation, arts, and culture. Dr. Case Coventry, Harare Province. Deputy Emily Jesiah, female, much east. Environment, climate, and the wildlife. Mangaliso Norizita Ndovu. Male, Material and South. Deputy John Paraza, male, Washington. Tourism and hospitality industry, Barbara Rodzi, female, Middles. Deputy Tongai Mnangagwa, male, Harare, province. Defense, OCZ Mchinguri Kashiri, female, Manikeli. Deputy Brigadier General, retired, Levi Maitome, Mat South. Women's Affairs, Community, Small and Medium Enterprises Development. Minister Monica Mutangwa, female, Manicaland. Deputy Jennifer Mhlanga, female, Mash West. Number 9, Local Government and the Public Works. Minister Winston Chitando, male, Masingo. No deputy yet. Number 10, Foreign Affairs, International Trade, Frederick Shava, male, Midlands. No deputy yet. Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, Minister Kazembe, male, National Central. No deputy yet. 12, Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Ziambe, male, National West. Deputy Obet Mazungunye, male, Mash Center. Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Minister Jennifer Muswere, male, Manicaland. No deputy yet. Information and Communication Technology, Minister T. Mavetera, female, Mash East. Deputy D. Puti, male, Mat South. Mines and Mining Development, Minister Jem Soda, male, Machine Central. No deputy. 16, Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development. Minister Professor Dr. Amon Murira, male, Osingo. Deputy Simeli Zeze. Yeah, Simeli Zeze Sibanda, female, material enough. Primary and secondary education. Minister T. Moyo, Machine Central. Deputy Angeline Gata, female, Manicaland. Public Service, Labor and Social Welfare. Minister J.G. Moyo, July Moyo, male, Midlands. Deputy Mrs. Dina, female, Marsh West. Industry and Commerce, Dr. S. Nyoni, female, Batmouth. No deputy yet. Transport and Infrastructure Development, Felix Mona, male, Marshall East. Energy and Power Development, Edgar Moyo, male, Matebele South. National Housing and Social Amenities Minister, Daniel Garwe, Deputy Yokai Simbanegami, Garwe male, Yokai female, Garwe Mash East, Yokai Machine. Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development Minister, Dr. A.J. Masuka, Matumbo, male. 2 deputies, Vangelis Artatos, Mash West, male. Davis Marapira, Mashingo, male. Health and Child Care, Dr. Momeshwara, male, Mash West. Minister of State for Provincial Affairs in the Office of the President and Cabinet, Matuke, El Matuke, Mashingo. 26, Skills Audit and Development. Skills Audit and Development, Professor Paul Mavima, May, Midlands. That completes the new cabinet. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the questions. So His Excellency the President has graciously agreed to field a few questions from you in case there are some areas you want some elaboration. I have, by show of hands and of course, identification of name, the organization you work for. My first 2 questions.
Yeah.
Where are you? Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, Excellency. My name is Lakujem Tongweza. I'm from 26 Richard. 26 Richard. It's online.
It's an online publication. From our website.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Your Excellency, there were questions raised during the last term of cabinet around Minister of Caste Coventry. There were a lot of questions about competencies. Some say the minister was too quiet, she wasn't doing anything, and now she's back. Do you have confidence in her? Do you believe she was doing well in the previous cabinet?
When the minister is appointed, he or she reports to the appointer. So it is you get satisfied whether the minister is doing well or not. The fact that I've reappointed you means that I am satisfied. I don't know who's not satisfied. What is the president?
Thank you very much. Can I make a second question? Yes.
My name is Bernadette. My question is,
Can you speak out, please?
my question is, explain us reason why there are 2 deputy ministers, 2 deputies for agriculture. What's the reason behind that?
Agriculture is very vast. Let me tell you the title of the Ministry of Agriculture. That will answer you before you continue asking. Lands. In the past, the Ministry of Lands on its own. Agriculture is also a ministry. Then there's fisheries and rural development. 3 ministries will be integrated into 3 ministries. they've been put together into one. So we have the minister and the two deputies who will be responsible for the other aspects of the Ministry of Agriculture, because there are three ministries in one.
Thank you, Mr. President. Can I have the next question, please? Yes, my dear.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. My name is Sharon Tawea from Louisiana. In your announcement, you kept on referring to male and female. Were you in any way under pressure from women rights groups, probably the Zambia Women's League, to have so many women in your cabinet?
Look at me. Who do you think Some names can be female or can be surnames, can be female or male. Names, surnames. So I'm just making it very clear. So you don't need to come and find out what I made it clear that this was male, this is no pressure. Clarity.
You are happy to
The
know?
demand is that of clarity.
Thank you. Yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Maxwell Tapatapa from Star FM. I would want to ask Your Excellency, there's been previously people have been saying that deputy ministers are not necessary to be appointed. How do you respond?
Not necessary.
Yes. Considering that if the minister is not there, another minister comes in to act. So there's been issues over the deputy ministers. Can you clarify on that?
Deputy ministers do not sit in cabinet. So if a minister is absent and there's a deputy minister, I appoint another minister who will work with the deputy minister, so that when we sit in cabinet, the minister who is the cabinet minister is able to represent the minister who is outside. That's
Yes.
Not sure.
no choice.
Can we? Yes, no. Do we have another question before I give the prof a second bite at the cherry? Mabuta.
Okay, thank you, President. My question is, okay, following your re-election, do you have any plans maybe to have another dialogue platform in the fold of Poland following re-election? I'm saying following your re-election, do you have any plans to set up another platform for dialogue such as Poland?
Oh yeah. The Poland platform was extremely useful. It was a platform where other political parties who participated in the 2018 general elections did not make it. And through the Poland platform, we were able to interact and exchange views across the board. The entire framework of government, we were able to discuss without limitation. I think it was a very good platform for Zimbabweans to come together and share. I think this platform will continue, so that all the, I don't know how many people participated, will come on board and will continue that practice. It was very helpful from my point of view as president.
Oh, is that a
Yes. From the internet again.
Yes. Okay, fine.
All right. Your Excellency, I've just been reading through some live comments, and some were asking or were wondering why is it that you haven't included maybe members from the opposition for inclusivity.
It is true that if the president wants to do that, he will do it. And if he doesn't want it, the majority doesn't need to do it. And there will be a category of those who do not want to do it. Because I have a huge majority. And I think the opposition would enjoy to be in actual opposition rather than be in government. They will fail to do the opposition.
Okay.
There being no further questions, Honourable President, all that remains for me to thank you.
Thank you very much, Steve.
SlyMedia TV, building bridges.